The Portuguese man-o-war, often mistaken for a jellyfish, is a fascinating and formidable creature of the open ocean. Its vibrant colors and unique shape attract the eye, but its venomous tentacles pack a powerful punch. The man-o-war, with its gas-filled float and trailing tentacles, is a captivating sight. But this beauty belies a hidden danger, a potent sting that can cause intense pain and even, in rare cases, serious medical complications. Understanding this creature's nature is crucial for anyone venturing into its watery domain. From its unique physical characteristics to its complex social structure, the man-o-war is a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Join us as we explore the depths of its existence, uncovering the mysteries that lie beneath the surface. This is a story of survival, adaptation, and the intricate web of life that connects all living things in the ocean's embrace. The Portuguese man-o-war is instantly recognizable by its gas-filled float, or pneumatophore, which sits above the water's surface like a miniature sail. This translucent float, often tinged blue, purple, or pink, can reach up to 12 inches in length and serves as a buoyancy aid, allowing the man-o-war to drift with the winds and currents. Beneath the float, a complex network of tentacles hangs submerged, sometimes extending up to 165 feet in length. These tentacles are armed with nematocysts, specialized stinging cells that inject venom into prey or potential threats. The venom is a complex cocktail of toxins that can cause excruciating pain and a range of other symptoms in humans. By adjusting the gas pressure within the float, the man-o-war can subtly alter its buoyancy, allowing it to rise or sink in the water column. The vibrant colors of the pneumatophore, while visually striking, also serve a practical purpose. They can act as a warning signal to potential predators, advertising the man-o-war's venomous nature. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Portuguese man-o-war is its unique biological structure. It is not a single organism, as its jellyfish-like appearance might suggest, but rather a colony of individual zooids. These zooids are specialized polyps that are physically connected and work together to perform essential life functions. Each zooid has a specific role, contributing to the survival of the colony as a whole. There are 4 types of zooids: pneumatophores, dactylozoids, gastrozooids, and gonozooids. The pneumatophore is the gas-filled float that provides buoyancy. The dactylozoids are the long, stinging tentacles responsible for capturing prey. The gastrozooids are responsible for digestion, breaking down the captured prey and absorbing nutrients. And finally, the gonozooids are responsible for reproduction. This colonial structure is a key factor in the man-o-war's survival. The Portuguese man-o-war is a carnivorous predator, relying on its venomous tentacles to capture and subdue its prey. The long, trailing tentacles, armed with thousands of nematocysts, create a deadly net in the water. When a potential prey item brushes against the tentacles, the nematocysts fire, injecting venom into the victim and immobilizing it. Once the prey is immobilized, the dactylozoids contract, drawing the captured organism towards the gastrozooids, which are located beneath the float. The gastrozooids then begin the process of digestion, secreting enzymes that break down the prey's tissues. The man-o-war's diet consists primarily of small fish and other marine invertebrates. The tentacles are particularly effective at capturing small, fast-moving prey, which are quickly overwhelmed by the venom. This predatory strategy has allowed the man-o-war to thrive in the open ocean, where food resources can be scarce. The Portuguese man-o-war's diet is surprisingly diverse, reflecting the availability of prey in its open ocean habitat. While small fish make up a significant portion of its diet, it also consumes a variety of other marine organisms. These include small crustaceans, such as shrimp and copepods, as well as other planktonic invertebrates. The man-o-war's long tentacles are particularly effective at capturing small, transparent organisms that are difficult to see in the water. The nematocysts are triggered by contact, ensuring that even the smallest prey items are captured. The man-o-war is also known to prey on the larvae of various fish and invertebrates. By consuming these larvae, the man-o-war plays a role in regulating the populations of other marine species. This adaptability is a key factor in its widespread distribution and ecological success. The Portuguese man-o-war occupies a unique niche in the marine ecosystem, acting as both predator and prey. As a predator, it helps to control the populations of small fish and invertebrates, playing a role in maintaining the balance of the food web. While a formidable predator itself, the man-o-war is not without its own enemies. Several marine species have developed strategies to avoid its venomous tentacles and prey on it. These include the loggerhead sea turtle, whose thick skin provides protection against the stings, and the ocean sunfish, which consumes the man-o-war's tentacles. Certain species of sea slugs, such as the blue sea dragon, are also known to prey on the Portuguese man-o-war. These slugs not only consume the man-o-war's tissues, but also store its nematocysts in their own bodies, using them for their own defense. The Portuguese man-o-war's role as both predator and prey underscores its importance in the complex web of life in the open ocean. The Portuguese man-o-war is a pelagic species, meaning it inhabits the open ocean, far from the shore. It floats at the surface, propelled by winds and currents, and has no independent means of locomotion. This reliance on ocean currents makes it a drifter, at the mercy of the elements. The man-o-war is well suited to life at the ocean's surface. Its gas-filled float keeps it buoyant, while its long tentacles trail beneath, capturing prey that swims within reach. While typically found in the open ocean, the man-o-war can sometimes be driven closer to shore by strong winds or currents. During certain times of the year, large numbers of man-o-wars can be washed ashore, posing a hazard to beachgoers. The man-o-war's adaptations, such as its buoyant float and long tentacles, allow it to thrive in this dynamic environment. The Portuguese man-o-war is primarily found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world. It thrives in warm ocean currents, where it encounters a plentiful supply of prey. While commonly found in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, the man-o-war is particularly abundant in the Gulf Stream, a warm ocean current that flows along the eastern coast of North America. This current carries the man-o-war northward, expanding its range beyond its typical tropical and subtropical habitats. Large aggregations of man-o-wars can sometimes be observed in certain regions, particularly during specific times of the year. These aggregations are often associated with favorable environmental conditions, such as abundant prey and optimal water temperatures. These gatherings can be a spectacular sight, but also a potential hazard for swimmers and boaters. Factors such as climate change and shifts in ocean currents can influence its distribution patterns, potentially expanding or contracting its range. The Portuguese man-o-war poses a significant danger to humans due to its potent venom. Contact with the man-o-war's tentacles can result in a painful sting, causing a range of symptoms from localized pain and inflammation to more serious systemic reactions. The venom of the man-o-war contains a complex mixture of toxins that affect the nervous system, causing intense pain, burning, and itching. Even detached tentacles can retain their venom for extended periods, posing a hazard to beachgoers even after the man-o-war itself has been washed ashore. It is essential to avoid contact with any part of the man-o-war, whether it is floating in the water or stranded on the beach. While most stings are painful but not life-threatening, some cases can result in serious medical complications, especially for young children, the elderly, and individuals with pre-existing medical conditions. If stung by a Portuguese man-o-war, it is crucial to take immediate action to minimize the effects of the venom. The first step is to carefully remove any tentacles that may be attached to the skin. Avoid rubbing the affected area, as this can trigger further venom release. Rinsing the stung area with seawater is recommended to help remove any remaining nematocysts. Fresh water should be avoided as it can activate the nematocysts and worsen the pain. Applying heat to the affected area can help to denature the venom and alleviate the pain. Seeking medical attention is advisable, especially if the sting is severe or if the individual experiences systemic symptoms such as difficulty breathing or swelling. Prevention is always the best approach. When swimming or boating in areas where man-o-wars are known to occur, it is essential to be vigilant and avoid contact with these venomous creatures. The Portuguese man-o-war, with its striking appearance and potent venom, serves as a reminder of the wonders and potential dangers of the marine environment. Understanding its biology, behavior, and the risks it poses is essential for anyone venturing into its watery domain. The man-o-war's unique colonial structure, carnivorous feeding habits, and role in the marine ecosystem highlight the intricate interconnectedness of life in the ocean. By respecting the ocean's inhabitants and taking precautions to avoid potential hazards, we can appreciate the beauty and diversity of marine life while safeguarding our own well-being. The Portuguese man-o-war serves as a potent symbol of the ocean's power and the importance of responsible interaction with the natural world. Learning about creatures like the Portuguese man-o-war fosters a deeper appreciation for the complexity and fragility of marine ecosystems.